Hello everyone, this is Deborah Rafiu from Rev360 Consult. Today I want to take you behind the scene of what happens in my business and show you what goes on before you receive your completed business document. Many people only see the final result, the certificate, the approved document, and the message saying congratulations, your registration is complete. But behind that result is a process. My day usually starts with checking clients' results, reviewing information provided, and making sure every detail is correctly arranged before submission. For every client, I take time to carefully check names, business details, documents, and requirements because a small mistake can delay the whole process. I also spend time responding to inquiries, educating clients on what they need to know as they onboard their business or company and NGOs on the tax portal. I also follow up on applications and make sure everyone understands the next step because your final stage is not your tax promise registration. At Rev360 Consult, we don't just process registration. We help people move from having just an idea to building a properly structured business. Behind every approved registration is patience, research, communication, and attention to details. Whether you are starting a new business, trying to make your existing business official, or you need guidance with your business documents, we are here to make the process easier for you. Let's go to check the taxes of those clients together. Here is our behind the scene video where we are checking the taxes that are due for this particular company. You can see this person has not been filing his taxes, and here he has 31 taxes due. Let's check that together. You can see here are some of the taxes due that he has to file. He has CIT and so many VAT to file. This is one of our behind the scene. These are some of the things we do before we can tell you, oh, you need to file so taxes. We don't just guess and tell you these are the taxes you need to file. We go through your portal to see the taxes you need to file. So if you also want to check your own, all you need to do is to log into your portal and it will be showing where you have taxes due. And should in case your own is not showing, it means you need to request for your tax for this particular month. Especially any month you are watching this video, you request for it. If yours is not showing, this person's own is showing and it has accumulated simply because he already opened tax promise account since last year and his taxes has been piling up for him just because the person who helped him to open the tax promise didn't inform him that he needs to be filing any kind of VAT. All they does is just register for him and boom, he went ahead to go and open his bank account with the particular TIN number that was given to him. Without him knowing, he still have some duties to put in place. Now that he needs his tax clearance certificate, all of these taxes and the debt with the penalty accumulated needs to be filed before he can proceed to get his TCC. If you also need our services on filing your tax for you or putting it through on a one-on-one basis, you can use the link in the description to reach out to me and I will be glad to put you through on what to do. So this is one of the things we we do behind the scene before we can come up and give you a particular number of taxes that you are owing, that you need to file, which will make you to be tax compliant. At Sheladrem 247 Consult, we don't just process registration. We help people move from having just an idea to building a properly structured business. Behind every approved registration is patience, research, communication, and attention to details. Whether you are starting a new business, trying to make your existing business official, or you need guidance with your business documents, we are here to make the process easier for you. We are based in Lagos, but we serve clients nationwide. This is a little look behind the scene of Sheladrem 247 Consults. If you are ready to take your business seriously, send a DM today and let's get started. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sheladrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.